Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for my July-August 2024 DoubleClick Connect challenge. That challenge was for Anything Goes. My current challenge, which runs from September to October 31st, 2024, the theme is Halloween or fall or using the color orange. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the DoubleClick Connect challenge hashtag. I did release the Ghouls release, however, that did sell out. I do have several of my Summer Vibes 2024 release. These colors are perfect for Pasteloween, and they will also be great for Pastel Christmas. If you missed out on my Ghouls release, feel free to direct message me to pick up the Summer Vibe. I also do have these colors normally, however, they are not glittered. I do offer the black, the purple, the green, and the orange. If you did miss out or you would like to add to your Ghouls release, you can also send me a direct message for basic Halloween colors and I can get a set of those sent out. For the July-August, the winner is receiving this bag of mixed dewdrop. We had 8 entries for this Anything Goes challenge. I will stop this video here because I have to do my random generator on my laptop with my phone since I'm using a different camera today. Let's go ahead and see who the lucky winner is for this July-August challenge entry. I have the random number generator up. We had 8 entries from the July-August 2024 DoubleClick Connect challenge. Let's go ahead and generate a winner. 1 through 8, generate. That number is 2, and that is Carrie's Crafts. Congratulations, Carrie. I think I have your address. Leave a comment down below that you saw this video and I will get this prize out to you. Okay, and congratulations to Carrie Craft. You have won the baggie of dewdrops. Please leave me a comment down below and I will get these mailed off to you. I would like to thank you all for supporting my challenge. I appreciate it so very much. If I did miss anyone, like I did miss Marissa last month, I just added her chances to win in this month. If I did miss anyone, please leave me a comment down below and I will be sure to add you into next month's entries. The next prize that we are doing is for the summer 2024. This is the swap that Sharon and myself from Cheap to Chic hosted this year. We had so much fun and it is the time where the packages were supposed to be received by, so I am currently closing out my giveaway. The giveaway was for this set of dewdrops. I think this was the August release. I can't remember, but they're beautiful colors. They're so pretty and they will go with almost any time of the year project. You could earn entries if you commented on my outgoing swap, posted about the swap on your community post, or if you left a VR. I did write out who entered and how they received their entries. There was a secret word on my outgoing swap, which was candy. And these are the entries. We had numbers 1 through 21. I'm going to use my phone and my laptop again to draw a random winner. So let's go ahead and do that and see who our lucky winner is for this set of dewdrops. I have my random number generator up. This is for the Summer Vibes 2024. You had to leave a comment on my outgoing swap using the secret word, which was candy. You could also earn extra entries if you posted on your community page and if you did a VR. So these are all of the entries that I received. And we had 21 entries. Let's go ahead and generate a winner. And we'll hit generate. That winner is number 9. And that winner is Jen, Sassy Southern NC Girl. Congratulations, Jen. I have your address. Please leave a comment down below that you did see this video. All right, congratulations, Jen. You are the winner for the set of dewdrops. Thank you so much for everyone that supported mine and Sharon's swap this year, whether you joined in on the swap or if you posted about it on your channel. We appreciate it so very much. I hope that you guys will consider entering our swap next next year. We love doing the summer vibe swap. We just have so much fun closing out the summer for the season. We had so many great participants this year. We also are in the process of hosting the Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun. This is the first year that I hosted and even participated in a Halloween swap. I'm looking forward to seeing so many of the swap entries. They are just the spooky cutest. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye, guys.